Contrary to popular belief, exercise may not be as effective for weight loss as we have been led to think. While increasing our daily energy expenditure through exercise can help us shed pounds in theory, our bodies are complex and dynamic systems that have evolved to adapt to changes in activity and food availability. They are like fine-tuned machines that constantly strive to balance the energy we burn through exercise with the energy we consume through food. Even small increases in daily energy expenditure can lead to a need for more fuel, which we may try to satisfy by eating more. But if we're unable to eat more, our bodies will slow down and redirect resources away from other functions in order to compensate. In short, our bodies are constantly working to maintain a delicate energy balance. This means that when we start a new exercise program, we may see initial weight loss, but unless we also make changes to our diet, our bodies will adjust by altering our hunger and metabolic rate, making it difficult to maintain the weight loss achieved through exercise alone. So, while exercise is important for our overall health and well-being, it may not be the key to sustainable weight loss. Instead, a combination of diet and lifestyle changes may be a more effective approach. And this is all backed by a large body of research showing that exercise only has modest, at best, and often short-term effects on weight loss. For example, you may be familiar with The Biggest Loser, a reality TV show in which people with morbid obesity enroll in a weight loss boot camp for 13 weeks. There, they are put through an outrageous program to lose weight, exercising for 4.5 hours each day under the watchful eye of their trainers. Each week, the contestants are weighed, and the person who loses the least weight is sent home. This is the sort of spectacle that would never get past a human research ethics board, but offered a unique opportunity for researchers from the National Institutes of Health in the US to study the metabolic changes associated with extreme caloric restriction during an extended regimen of vigorous exercise. In a 2011 study published in the Journal of Obesity, the researchers presented an analysis showing that the contestants all lost an average of 14 kilos by week 6, 16 kilos by week 13, and an impressive 58 kilos by the finale at week 30. But the caloric restriction involved in this rapid weight loss caused the participants' bodies to enter starvation mode, leading to a 25% decrease in their basal metabolic rate. This caused their cells to burn energy more slowly and redirected energy away from important things like immune function and reproduction. And these changes were not temporary. When the participants were re-evaluated 6 years later, their basal metabolic rates were still lower than expected, and most had regained the weight they lost. This highlights the need for balance in our daily energy expenditure, as going beyond a certain level can lead to negative consequences on our metabolic machinery. Admittedly, the Biggest Loser study is an extreme example, but there is a wealth of research that suggests that exercise only has a modest impact on weight loss. In fact, numerous large, methodologically sound studies have shown that it is extremely difficult to achieve significant changes in daily energy expenditure through exercise. For example, 2 meta-analyses of over 5,000 research participants found that exercise resulted in modest reductions in weight, compared to no treatment. Even trials designed to test higher intensities or longer durations of exercise have found similar results, with weight loss being the same in all groups regardless of exercise intensity or duration. The reality is that exercise is much more than just a way to lose weight. Exercise increases muscle mass and therefore fat-free mass, plasma volume, and glycogen stores. So when you stand on the scales, these beneficial effects may actually offset losses in body weight. In short, the scales is not a good indicator of success.